Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the RoverTac pocket knife. This is an upgraded multi-tool with a sheath, safety locking blade, and a nice little carry pouch here. So, we got in the box is some silica gel, very common, but here's the actual deal. Comes with a little life is a more beautiful adventure, a valued customer thing. Customer service if you have any problems. So this one features some pretty cool things, so let's check it out here. This one runs about $19. Well, let's go $19.99, $20 on Amazon. And first off, has a nice little nylon case here, Velcro, little logo there. The extra wide belt loop, so you can have a skinny belt or a fatter belt, and it's good size there. Okay, so here we go. Inside we have this. So first impression, it's a pretty sleek looking knife. This is the all black one. You can get one with an orange handle or a green handle, and it's pretty heavy duty. This thing feels pretty solid. These guys have a lifetime, no questions asked return policy. Okay, so the blade has that one of those little flip push handles there. You can just push the blade out, and that thing is sharp. Let's see if we got a piece of paper around here or something. Oh man. So, cut through it like butter. Look at that. It's also got like a saw blade here too. I hope that was junk mail. Anyway, so it locks in place, and I don't know how to release it yet. Let's see here. So the blade does lock in place. That's pretty cool. Just figuring this thing out. Show you guys what I can on here. Has a nice little Phillips head screwdriver, which is super handy. I don't know how many times I've needed to undo something and I went to go find a screwdriver, but if you have this multi-tool on you got it. Also, it's got a flathead screwdriver here, a can opener, bottle top opener. Has another little screwdriver one here, flathead, with another type of can opener there as well. So I believe this one you can actually open a can with. This is more like a bottle opener, and this is like a can opener because it's kind of sharp and it'll cut into the can to open that up. Okay, so this also has some pliers. I just wish I could figure out how to shut this so I could show you. Oh, hello. Silly me. Okay, here we go. Right here, just push that off to the side and you can close your blade just like that. Just as flick it, a switch with a thumb. Same thing, push this with your thumb, close it, get your thumb out of the way. Very smooth. And that's not it, because there are some pliers in here too somewhere. I just need to figure out how to get them out of there. Okay, so right there's the handle for the pliers. And let's see here how to get that out. Okay, hold that. Oh, there we go. And that is slick. Look at that. So here we got some needle nose pliers, and it's got a wire cutter. It's got wire. That is pretty slick too. So it comes with some pliers as well. That is nice. So that just folds back into there. That is pretty cool. Tucks in there. And that's not all, my friends. So it gets better. This also comes with a set of magnetic. Oh, I'm like, I need a knife to open this. Well, fortunately, we have a knife, a sharp knife. Okay. So it has a little group of attachments here, and a nice little, it's like a silicone type holder there. And I believe, I'll put my knife away. This just goes on to the end of the screwdriver attachment. And you have at your disposal, you got several Phillips head screwdrivers. Looks like 1, 2, 3. You got 3 also flathead screwdriver bits, and then 3 common Allen key ones or hexagon ones, whatever they are. So that is pretty slick. I don't know how many times I've needed like a pair of pliers or this. Super handy, you know, especially if you're always doing odds and ends. You don't have to go hunt for all this stuff because it's all right here. So this is pretty cool here. So that is that, my friends. I'm going to be testing out some of these, see how well they work on that. Let's see here. Anything else in here? I think that was it, but that just goes in here like this, and it's a nice compact multi-tool. This thing has a lifetime warranty, no questions asked. I think I mentioned that, but it seems super sturdy, well constructed. It's got some heft to it. It feels solid. You know, it doesn't feel like some flimsy, cheesy thing. The blade's super sharp. It's smooth. It's a good looking multi-tool there. So I'll be trying this out on various things and do a review video on here. But thanks for watching this unboxing. If you guys want to check this out on Amazon, I'll leave a link in the description below. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.